What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're out here, Rico Dragway, Small Tire King. It's a beautiful day out here. It'll be a great day of racing. We got a lot of cars out here, a lot of people. We got the belt though, so we are Small Tire King. Oh no, we want to flaunt it too much. I got the belt in the truck. Maybe I should go get it and let Milton wear it, and we should walk around on the starting line and stuff. No, that's bad karma. If we do that, we're definitely going to lose. We'll be first round ducks. So we're not going to do that at all. But we're out here, Rico. Hopefully y'all can make it out here. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a good time. Beautiful day. So hopefully we're going to have a good time, good showing. Maybe the car can go some rounds and I don't do anything stupid. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Go to turbojohnracing.com to grab yourself some merchandise. Yesterday, we got all the stuff done that I needed to. I got the tires changed. Those W's are big. Milton's out here with us today. He was not able to go with us Friday night. We're taking all this weight out. Man, that's a lot of weight. And I know that's probably not the most professional way to mount that, but that's what we did. I did order some clamps. We're going to put the clamps on the tubing up here, and we're going to move some of the weight around, and that way we can get it on this tube, this 1 5/8. And that's probably where these those big 40-pound blocks, actually they're 27 pounds, that's where they're going to end up going. So we're getting close. We're going to take all out, but probably those 75 pounds there, and then don't stab yourself. Boy, that looks dangerous. But we're going to take it all out, but that 75 pounds there, we'll leave that down in there, and then we'll be set. Now, don't forget, we also got, 75 pounds on each one of these batteries, so that's one of the deals also. Eating chicken over there, and I just got informed something. I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed in myself for not paying attention to the finer details. So Chris just informed me, since I was a Small Tire King of Rico, every time I come to Rico, not just today, but every time, what was supposed to happen, Chris?
Free chicken sandwich.
Free chicken. Randy, did you catch that detail?
What's that?
I was supposed to get free chicken every time I come to Rico.
Yeah.
Well, why didn't you tell me? We'd have been coming to Rico every Sunday. Every Sunday we would have been at Rico.
You're gonna blame it on
eating
me.
Chicken.
How you gonna blame that on me?
I mean, I'm just saying.
I'm out of the loop now.
You knew too. You didn't tell me either. I got some good friends, y'all. Starting line, this is freaking looking sticky. That's what we were just, what do you think? We're gonna have to put some air pressure. This is sticky. Now they did just spray it. Randy's walking the whole track down there, so he'll give us a status update down there. There is a little bit of a dilemma that they're having. They were having issues with the tree last week, so they bought some new stuff to replace it, to update the software so that everything was working, and it's just going straight red. So they're having a problem. Something's not compatible, so the tree is not working. So this thing's been rained out like 3 times, and we got beautiful day. I mean, beautiful. Not a cloud in the sky, and it is super nice. Now, there are some people down here that might not agree, but to me, what they need to do is just go ahead and do a flashlight start and somebody on the finish line. I mean, we're here, Small Tire. I mean, it don't matter what you run. It don't matter what the ET was. It's just you're here to race. And the one that is last standing is Small Tire King. So hopefully everybody agrees, and that's what they want to do. That's what the track wants to do, but they want to make everybody happy as well. So they're kind of discussing it now to see what's going to happen. It sucks, it happens. They were planning on doing a bracket race today, but clearly a bracket race cannot happen in this. But for test and tune, come out here, have a good time. And for Small Tire King, somebody out there flagging us, let's roll, see what happens. Not too bad, guys. Feels like there's a decent base out here. I think this will take some power. All right, we're gonna make a shakedown and see what happens. And then if they do it, we'll be good. If not, then it is what it is. We're gonna try to make a pass real quick and see what it does. We got our draggy. Everybody might not have a draggy, but we got one. Oh my God. All right, guys. All right, some people, they like wheelies. I don't like wheelies. One thing that we failed to do from last night in Virginia, the track is prepped. I did not tighten the front struts up. We can leave the amount of travel and the shocks just can contain it, but yeah, they're full loose. I don't know how high it was. It felt like it was climbing. Then it kind of shot around a little bit. So yeah, not my best feel. I don't know how high it was, but it felt like it was coming. It felt like it was about to do a monster wheelie, and that's why I pedaled, and it drove left. We forgot to tighten up the front struts. Yeah.